Dynamics 365 Human Resources can manage work schedules. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think and then continue when you are ready. No, it is incorrect. Using Dynamics 365 Finance, Clodoyer can use a purchase order to return previously purchased items to a vendor. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. We plan to implement Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Which three actions can vendors perform? A. Change the inventory cost of items. B. Submit invoices electronically. C. Create transfer orders. D. Approve purchase orders. E. Respond to a request for quote RFQ. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think and then continue when you are ready. The correct three actions that vendors can perform in Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management include: A. Change the inventory cost of items. B. Submit invoices electronically. C. Create transfer orders. These options are directly related to managing inventory and vendor relationships within the supply chain context. We utilize Dynamics 365 Finance and Power BI. We intend to develop operational data analytics for retail stores distributed across the United States. The company seeks assistance in developing a Power BI visualization that effectively analyzes customer visit data based on population demographics in regions where stores are situated. Which Power BI visualization should you recommend? A. Basic maps. B. Donut chart. C. Bar chart. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think and then continue when you are ready. The recommended Power BI visualization for the company's needs is a basic maps. Legal entities are used to segment the financial postings of a legal entity, not assist in compliancy audit mitigation. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think and then continue when you are ready. No, while legal entities do segment financial postings, they also play a role in compliance and audit mitigation by ensuring that financial records are maintained separately for each entity, which helps in meeting regulatory requirements. We are implementing expense management capabilities in Dynamics 365 Finance. We can configure the system to allow employees to create and manage expense reports on behalf of another employees. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. We adopt an integrated supply chain management solution using Dynamics 365. We rely on third-party vendors for our key components. We need to recommend actions to manage vendor operations. Which three actions should you recommend? A. Create an operation for the subcontractor to track the progress of the vendor's work. B. Automatically generate purchase orders for operations that you subcontract to a vendor. C. Update the status of production order operations that are subcontracted to completed when the vendor's work is done. D. Ensure that each production order relates to a single vendor. E. Assign each operation in a production order to multiple vendors. Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Create an operation for subcontractors to track progress. This action ensures that each subcontractor can effectively track their operations, providing insights into progress and any delays or issues encountered. Also, automatically generate purchase orders for subcontracted operations. Although initially uncertain, this option is important as it can streamline procurement processes while mitigating potential vendor-related issues, and ensure each production order relates to a single vendor. This maintains the integrity of each production order by ensuring clear vendor associations, which is essential for accurate tracking and management. Legal entities are used to segment liabilities for retail channels in a single taxation entity. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. No, legal entities are not specifically used to segment liabilities for retail channels within a single taxation entity. They represent distinct legal entities that can operate under different regulatory frameworks, including taxation, but they do not segment liabilities in this manner. Legal entities are used to segment the financial transaction for a company for tax purposes. You can draft a work breakdown structure by using initial resources assignments. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, drafting a work breakdown structure involves using initial resource assignments to guide task assignment within the project structure. Dynamics 365 Human Resources can manage compensation plans. Is it correct? Okay, now pause the video here, have a bit of think, and then continue when you are ready. Yes, it is correct. Not forget to like and subscribe.